back to 20 car. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck Unofficial Concept breaks the mold, again. Gone is the purely angular beast, in comes a refined, futuristic predator sculpted with active nano-steel skin that adapts to environmental conditions. Illuminated blade accents slash across the fenders, while a new floating tailgate transforms into a hoverboard ramp. Inside, the cockpit is alien in the best way. A panoramic holographic windshield displays real-time data overlays. The steering wheel is now a smart orb, intuitive, gesture-based, and retractable. Sustainable graphene fabric wraps the seats, offering heat-adaptive comfort, while a Tesla NeuroOS personal assistant runs everything from cabin scent profiles to drone-assisted parking. Facing rivals like the Ford F-150 Lightning and Rivian R1T, the Cybertruck concept delivers outrageous innovation. It surpasses expectations with semi-autonomous trail mode, magnetized cargo locks, and 1,000 kilometers range on a single charge. Price range is speculated between $75,000, $95,000, placing it at the high-tech top. Ownership costs will drop with Tesla's lifetime drivetrain warranty, free solar charging integration, and minimal mechanical wear. Insurance could be high due to its unique design. Behind the wheel, it's commanding. Tri-motor torque propels at 0-100 km height in just 2.7 seconds, while terrain adaptive suspension ensures smooth sailing, or rampaging. Pros: futuristic tech, extreme performance, adaptive design. Cons: high insurance, polarizing style. A rolling sci-fi prophecy, Cybertruck evolves again.